So out of all the devices Samsung is launching at the Unpacked event, I'm more excited about the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup because not only the rotating bezel is making its return, but we're also getting thinner bezels along with more health-related features that I've been asking on a Samsung watch for years. For starters, there will be two Galaxy Watch 6 this year, Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Both of them are getting thinner, and the regular Watch 6 bezels are significantly getting thin, which honestly will make it look pretty. Today we have our very first real glimpse of what appears to be the Watch 6 Classic. A South Korean football player named Son Heung-min was spotted wearing the Watch 6 Classic at an airport. And as you can see, not only do we see a larger display than Samsung's current lineup of Galaxy watches, but also its thin bezels and its thinner profile overall. And not to mention the return of the rotating bezel after missing from the Watch 5 Pro last year. Both the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic will get the ability to measure atrial fibrillation at all times, unlike previous Galaxy watches where you need to measure it manually. This basically measures irregular heart rhythms automatically and will inform you if you need medical attention, and in turn will save lives. Because AFib can also be asymptomatic, which means you may not be aware that something's wrong. Another upgrade the Watch 6 is getting, and I think a much needed one, is a faster chip. You see, I have the Apple Watch and the Watch 4 Classic, and it's clear that Apple Watch is much more responsive. Maybe it has to do with the optimization, or maybe it has to do with a better chipset. The Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 4 Classic both have the same chip, and there's surely a need for either a faster chip or better optimization. Thankfully, with the Watch 6, Samsung is giving us a faster chip that may put an end to all those problems. By the way, if you're interested in getting the Watch 6 or Classic, you can actually save $50 just by registering your interest in pre-ordering the watch. And the offer is from Samsung themselves. You don't need to pay, just enter your name and email and you'll get $50 credit that you can use to buy the watch or the new foldables. The link to the offer is in the description. Subscribe for more updates and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.